Namaste. I'm Abhilasha. She's Josna. She's Trisha. So we are going to do Halasan now. So Halasan will see with the support of wall, like those who are beginners and if they are not sure, like whether they are able to do it. So Halasan definitely is an inverted posture. So you are taking your legs back completely. Then we'll do little advanced posture of Halasan, that is you are going to do Halasan Kriya. So it's a Halasan Paschimottanasana Kriya. So first we will see Halasan with the support of wall. You can do with the support of chair or your bed as well, that you can rest your feet on the chair or on your sofa or on your bed. Little bit come forward. So you see that distance is like that much, so that you can take your leg back properly. And then slowly you can take your legs down. Just take it up. You can just try. Little up. You can just try this much as well. It is not necessary that in first attempt you should go down. Try this much, and then slowly whenever you are ready to go down, go down. And when coming back, always you have to bend your knees and come back. You will land safely. Now let us see Halasana and Paschimottanasana Kriya. You can see first, like without support, how to do Halasana. You can point your toes outside. Slowly back. So Kriya means like there are two asanas which you are doing it in successive manner. So what you have to do it, like you do forward bend Paschimottanasana and then inverted posture Halasana. At least 10 times you should do, then only it will work as a Kriya. So if this is exhalation, then you inhale in between and again exhale, you go down, because there is a contraction of the body. So she did it once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please remember, inverted posture you are not supposed to do during your menstruation, your monthly cycle, ladies. 10, last one. Done? So she has done with 10. So you have to try at least 10 times, but don't try everything on the same day. First you try just like Trisha did it with the support of wall for few days, at least for a month or something, and then you try without support, and then you go for the Kriya. So do try, and if you have any questions, let us know. Thank you. Subscribe the channel.